Oh yeah, look. Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh Mark! That was insane.
See, a shotgun would be.
Look at all of them. They're still doing it.
Great. This would be better than skeet shooting.
Oh my God.
Let's see if we can't.
We gotta do that again.
See if we can kick up some more. Here's some more.
Can you see him or something?
Well, I thought I saw a squirrel too, but.
My God! Oh shit!
Oh God!
Ouch! Oh, they're all over!
Oh, we got two. We got three.
Oh crap! They hurt! Oh my God! Look at all of them! This is the craziest thing! Mark, look at them jumping up still.
And then they just beat themselves to death.
Oh my God. Let's see that back. Well, we're not going to say, hey, let's take one and eat it.
Yeah. You gonna clean it?
Here, hold it up. Yay.
Yay.
Look at him. Well, I can't help but laugh.
Come here, buddy.
Is the motor still running?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you get that?
I did.
It missed me. I don't know how.
How you feel about that, Kirby? Great outdoorsman.
That's wonderful. Who needs the fishing line?
You should have bit it like a bear, man. Oh, you almost had one hit you again. Oh, God!
Maybe it's better I don't see it.
He almost hit me. Did you see that?
I saw you jump though.
They are trashing my boat.
Where we had 5 in the boat?
Yep. Good day fishing.
That's right. Whew, God, they stink.